Alright guys, so this is the install host platform. So right now let me take you through the platform so that you know what I'm talking about. This is their front end. This is how it look like. Okay. Alright. Okay. They said enjoy 10% discount using ins host before whatever they've written under it. This hosting is very powerful in such a way that I don't know how to explain it. But we are here to design websites. So let me take you through step by step how to buy your hosting, your domain, how to make use of it. So let's begin. Right now, this is the dashboard. So you need to move or scroll to where you see hosting, or you come to other hosting, any of this. Okay, let's use this one, other hosting. And it will bring you to where they said shared hosting, reseller hosting, and domain name. We are not going to buy domain alone. We are going to buy hosting and domain at the same time. So let's use shared hosting. Alright, they said we offer, oh sorry, let's scroll down. Okay, so this is their plan. This company, this is their plan. They have $3 per month, $5 per month, and $20 per month. So when you want to purchase the $3 per month, you can only host one website. $5 per month, you can only host five websites. $20 per month, you can host unlimited websites. Alright. So let's scroll down what they have. The starter host, the $3 per month has 20 GB SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, and unlimited FTP accounts, 10 email accounts, 10 database, and the rest. Pro host 2 have you can host 5 websites, 50 gigabyte storage, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited FTP, 20 email accounts, and unlimited database. Whilst enterprise hosts have unlimited websites, unlimited SSD, unlimited bandwidth, FTP, email account, database, protection. Alright, so this website is very powerful, very cheap, less expensive. That's the only web hosting you can get as cheap as instalhost.com. So let's begin. So what you have to do is to buy our hosting. But I would advise you to use $5 per month because you can host 5 websites, which means each website costs $1. You get what I'm trying to say? And but this one website costs $3. That's advisable. So let's begin with the Pro host. That's the second one. Purchase now. Sorry, my network is not good, so you guys should just bear with me. Let's proceed. Alright, so right now we need to change our currency. If you see where they say choose currency, you see USD right here. You can press at this arrow right down and this pop-up will show, they will say GHS and NGN. The NGN stands for Nigeria and Ghana and for US of course. So right now I'm from Ghana, so I need to change my currency into cedis. So let me press that. So it's changed as you can see. So as I said, you need to get domain before you can host a website. So right now you need to look for a domain. Let's use Max Store. Uh, Max Store to see if Max Store to see if our domain is available. Okay, Max Store. And this is domain extension .com.net .org.biz.info.ng for Nigeria. So let's proceed. But I'm going to use .com. And this website you can transfer domain. If you already have domain somewhere, you can transfer it. Or you can use existing domain in this hosting if you are once a registrar in this website. You understand? Alright, so we are going to check if our domain is available or already taken or aren't available. So let's proceed. So they say checking availability. Let's wait for a while to see what they're going to bring. Sorry, they say mass store is unavailable. That means someone has taken it already. So right now I'm going to say mass store SYC. Okay, let's press check to see if it's available. Alright, they said it's available and they said it costs 195 cedis. Sorry. But I'll show you how to get this website for this domain for absolutely free right now. So let's proceed. Just press and continue. Right now, you can see the price changing into dollar to cedis right now. So it's 53 cedis per month. So let's go for 12 months and you'll see something. If you see 12 months, right here they said 12 months they'll give you free domain if you purchase 12 months. So let's buy the 12 months and see. Okay, 12 months is 645 cedis. So press continue. Alright. Sorry. Alright, we have something here, we call it add-ons. These add-ons will help you protect your domain, and we have something called ID protection. This ID protection costs 100 cedis. So you just need to press at ID protection if you have money, but it's not compulsory though. So this ID protection costs 100 cedis. And we have DNS management. It makes your website to be speed, fast, and available in any browser you type it. So if you have one, you can purchase as well. It's just 100 cedis. And we have what we call email forwarding. Email forwarding is where you want to host or handle all your email messages in one email account. This one costs only 100 cedis. If you have money, you can purchase. So let's purchase all and see what will happen. We are going to add them to cart, add to cart, and add to cart. Then we continue. So the tree will cost 300 cedis. Alright, right now our pro host is 645 cedis. The domain registration is 0. It's 300 cedis here because we purchased DNS management, email forwarding, ID protection. Each costs 100 cedis, so the 3 will be 300 cedis. But don't worry, I have something to show you right now. I have coupon code. As you've seen in their hosting dashboard, they said, let's go. In their hosting dashboard, they said, use the coupon code that they've already, given to you. They said, enjoy 10 discounts using instalhost. So we are going to apply this coupon code to see if it's going to work or it's not going to work. Alright. So I'm going to copy it and apply it in this browser. Paste. So right now I'm going to validate the code to see if it's going to work. Alright, so from 945 cedis to 880 cedis, that means the discount is 64 cedis. That's massive. That's very good. So let's continue. They said checkout or continue shopping. You just need to check out because this is all that we need as a web designer. It's not compulsory to buy the DNS management email forwarding, but I'm just telling you in case you have the money, you just need to go with the hosting and forget about DNS management. That's all. It's not compulsory. But if you have a successful business you are running, you need to protect your website. But if it's something that you are starting, it's okay. You can start with 645 cedis. Okay. So we need to press our checkout.